When it comes to the pure exercise experience, our LED console makes sure nothing gets between your members and their workout. Virtually anyone can step up to our LED console and enjoy the easy navigation of the interface. To keep members on track for their goals, a large number display and a message center provide complete, easy-to-read workout feedback. You can even add Wi-Fi to work with some of our most powerful connected solutions, including Personal Trainer Portal, Workout Tracking Network, and Asset Management. The Matrix LED console. Keep the exercise experience simple with our easy-to-use, easy-to-read classic design.